Just would like to correct the chairman of the Commission on Human Rights about his statement that the PNP continues to deny documents or refuse to cooperate with an investigation being made by the Commission. I would like to cite to you, this is a news item from Inquirer.net in August 29, 2017. Ito alam ko, Inquirer.net is galit na galit dito sa war on drugs eh. Pero sabi, for the benefit of this committee, I would like to read. Ang headline is, PNP agrees to CHR request for documents on drug war deaths. Philippine National Police Chief Director General Ronald Bato de la Rosa met with Commission on Human Rights Chairman Chito Gascon, the late Chito Gascon. May his soul rest in peace. On Tuesday at Camp Crame for a dialogue on human rights and the war on drugs. In a press briefing after the meeting that went for about an hour, Gascon said they requested for the case folders of deaths involving police and the war on drugs that are under investigation, as well as the status of persons arrested still in jail. Gascon later told reporters in an ambush interview that the PNP agreed to make available the case folders involving deaths from illegal drugs starting May 10, 2016. So, nung ako pa ay Chief PNP, I was cooperating with the CHR. And pumunta pa nga si Chairman Gascon doon sa opisina ko at hiningi yung folder and we cooperated with them. Bakit yung report nyo ngayon ay sinasabi nyo hindi nag-cooperate ang PNP?
Mr. Chair, hindi naman po lahat ng request ng komisyon. Kaya nga ho sabi ko, isa sa mga naging problema sa investigasyon ay yung non-cooperation ng police. May mga pagkakataon na nagbibigay at mayroong pagkakataon na hindi talaga nagbibigay. At tinanong niyo ho kami ngayon.
Siguro mas maganda kasi nag-uusap naman kami, no? Chief to chief. Chief PNP, chairman ng CHR, nag-uusap naman kami. Kung may kailangan kayo, punta kayo sa Krame. Baka yung reklamo niyo punta sa mga station, baka yung mga tao doon sa station medyo mamaya na sir, hindi kami pwede magbigay kung walang clearance sa aming station commander. Parang gano'n siguro sinasabi sa inyo. Dapat nag-usap naman kami sa taas. Doon na kayo sa amin doon na sa taas kayo maghingi, and the higher headquarters of PNP will direct the police station to provide the needed documents.
Ang problema po natin na hindi ho ganyan ang trabaho ng komisyon. Kasi kapag ang nangyari ho ang isang insidente, halimbawa sa isang lugar, sa probinsya, hindi naman ho, ang tao ho namin direktang pupunta agad doon sa lugar at may kipag-ugnayan sa mga relevant agencies, mga testigo at kung sino pang makakatulong sa investigasyon. Kung ang gagawin ho namin ay makikipag-ugnayan agad muna kami sa central office, sa Krame, mahaba ho yung panahon.
No, mas madali yun. You are wrong. You are wrong with your assumption. Mas madali yun kung direkta kayo sa Chief PNP. Ang Chief PNP, anong police station? Iloilo City Police Station? Okay. Iloilo. Kailangan na si Sir yung report niyan. Mas mabilis yun. Kaysa kung direkta ka doon, tapos wala doon ang Chief of Police, sabihin ng officer on case. Yung investigator on case, sir, pasensya na sir, hihingi mo na ako ng clearance dahil yung hipi namin, nandoon sa Krame, hindi ko makahingi ng clearance. Mas mabilis yun, kung
pero
may usapan na kami.
Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko po at kung bakit ho ang ibang mga police, ibang station nagbibigay at nakikipag-cooperate at bakit ho ang iba ay hindi?
Kaya nga, for uniform implementation of my guidance to all commanders down the line, dumirekta kayo sa Krame. Dahil no way na hindi nila susundin yung utos ko kung dumaan kayo sa akin. Or for that matter, to the next Chief PNP na kung wala na ako, yung mga succeeding Chief PNP. Kasi may usapan na kami ni Commissioner Chairman Gascon.
Have you tried,
Mr. Chair?
Have you tried lately
Sa ngayon po,
to coordinate sa taas mismo?
Mr. Chair, yes, Mr. Chair, we wrote a letter to the Chief PNP, particularly pertaining to these cases the killings in relation to the drug war. And again, they refused.
Hindi,